What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're back again with another recipe video. Today I'll be sharing with you recipe of making methi chicken, my personal favorite. So let's begin. So here I've taken my pan in which I'll be adding in 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Let it become nice hot. Once it's hot, I'll be adding in 2 roughly chopped onions and let it cook very well till it becomes nice brown in color. So it's been about 7 to 8 minutes. You can see how onions have cooked very well. It's not dark brown also, and it's a bit golden color onions. At this point, it roughly took me about 7 to 8 minutes to do like this. I'll be adding in 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. These are 2 roughly chopped red tomatoes. The gas is on medium flame. To this I'll be adding in 1 spoon of salt. You add in as per your taste. Half spoon of turmeric powder. One spoon of red chili powder. One spoon of Kashmiri red chili powder. This gives good color to your gravies. 1 spoon of coriander powder. The gas is on medium low flame. I'm just gonna cook all this so that it gets cooked nicely and the oil from the masala oozes out. So I'm just gonna cover and cook it for roughly about 8 to 10 minutes. So it's been about roughly 5 minutes. You can see how nicely our masala is ready of onion and tomatoes. It has cooked so well. Oil has been coming out, so it means that it's cooked very nicely. And the Kashmiri red chili powder that we added has given a very good red color. To this, I'll be adding in 1 kg of chicken which I've washed and cleansed. So to this, I'll be adding in my chicken and coating all the chicken with this masala gravy. The gas is still on the medium flame. Make sure you coat all the chicken pieces very nicely with this masala. This is one of the best recipe, quick and easy, you guys can make at home when there is special occasion, as well as when you have certain guests coming into your house, as well as you're making it for your Sunday lunch, dinner recipes. And especially people who don't eat methi separately can enjoy methi with chicken. It's one of my personal favorite recipe. So I've mixed all the chicken nicely with the masala based gravy. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cover and cook it so that the chicken gets nicely cooked. To this, I'll be adding a bit of water so that all the masala and chicken get cooked nicely, roughly about half a cup of water. Mix it nicely and cover and cook it till the chicken gets cooked nicely. So guys, it's roughly about 8 to 10 minutes. You can see, wow, the chicken is cooked nicely, about 90-95%, and it's lost a lot of water. You can see this gravy, I added only half cup of water. It's chicken's water which has oozed out so much. At this point, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add in 1 spoon of garam masala powder. Here I've taken one bundle of green leafy methi, which I've washed, cleansed, and kept drained all the excess water. I'll be adding this methi to it. It looks so much, but once it's cooked, it becomes very less. Trust me, with adding methi, the taste of the chicken goes to another level. Once it's done, lower your gas to medium low and then mix it very well. After adding methi, we just need to cook it for about 8 to 10 minutes more. Do not overcook methi because it turns the color of the gravy a bit blackish, which we don't want to do. And it makes the gravy a bit bitter as well. So we're just going to cook it for about 8 to 10 minutes. So I've mixed. You can see how methi is shrinked and it becomes so less. At this point, you can check in the seasoning, salt, pepper. If you need to add in anything, you can add in. Okay, once you've mixed everything, I'm going to cover and cook it so that everything gets mixed nicely for about 8 to 10 minutes. So it's been about 7 to 8 minutes and our methi chicken is all ready. You can see how nicely it's cooked. At this point, I'm going to switch the gas off, squeeze in some lemon, nice, spicy, tangy. And see how nicely, so tasty, it's cooked so well. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the plating and show you. Guys, here I've done. You can see how yummy it's done. Quick, easy, simple recipe with minimum ingredients you can make within some time. So let me show you all how it's tasting. Some gravy. You can enjoy this with rice, paratha, naan. You can also adjust the consistency as per your requirement if you want to make watery. But for me, we like semi-dry. Okay, you can see how it's piping hot. So I've already squeezed some lemon in it. I'll show you how nicely our chicken is cooked and the gravy. It's so nice. I'm gonna take some chicken. So nice. Since I told you not to overcook methi, that's one of the things that you guys need to keep in mind. Just about 7 to 8 minutes should be enough for cooking methi. It also cooks in the steam that is left at the end. Everything is very nice, subtle taste, very nice, quick and easy recipe you guys can try when there is no time left for you guys to make a chicken recipe. Even bachelors can try this as per their convenience. So that's all for today's recipe video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you do, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. See you in our next video. Till then, be happy and stay smiling. Bye bye.